New moon energies are here, but we got a bunch of other things happening as well. We got a pretty big earthquake in California. We got an update for the Schumann Resonance. Something odd going on with 3A Atlas because this so-called comet is way more unique than what people think. This is definitely something different here. And of course, we definitely got solar activity to get to. We got these massive coronal holes. Trans-equatorial, by the way. I did say it was going to be a trans-equatorial coronal hole. It happened. Let's get into this Joe Sky. I made a massive new moon video, and I hope you guys definitely check that out. Put a lot of work into that. And of course, massive, beautiful live stream. Um, so there's not much going on, but we have a trans-equatorial coronal hole detected in an Earth-facing position on Monday, December 15, 2025. My favorite image, 193A, shows you the trans-equatorial facing coronal hole. That's the one in the middle. And this is a chain of coronal holes, multiple coronal holes, by the way. And these coronal holes, let me just tell you, these can also cause geomagnetic storms. What happens is plasma can escape through these, and that plasma, when it's directly facing Earth, which it is right now, can hit Earth. In the next 24 to 72 hours, we're going to have a lot of plasma come in. Let me tell you right now, the reality is getting closer, right? It's going to probably get supercharged, potentially. The Earth is definitely going to get hit, and a lot of that energy, we're going to be feeling that. We also see another coronal hole on the left forming, so very interesting. Definitely got a lot going on right now. This is unusual stuff right here. To see chains of coronal holes like this, and they're facing us, this is really tough. This is going to be a tough um, energy period to move through. So you're definitely going to be feeling it and whatnot. And if you've been feeling anxious, my new moon video explains everything that's going on right now. And it's all wild how everything happens on December 19th. So yeah, definitely check that out. If you're someone who's um, definitely been feeling or sensitive and whatnot, this coronal hole definitely amplify things. And that new moon video is going to get into the new moon energies, and I break it down for every single sign. 4.0 earthquake in Glen Ellen, California. There's definitely been some earthquakes and things are starting to ramp up a bit. Um, but yeah, overall, yeah, we definitely got some in Japan. A lot of them, like 4.7, Yokohama, Japan, Miyako, Japan, 4.9, Haku, Japan, 4.9, 5.1 again. So definitely some stuff going on. 4.0 in California is pretty interesting though, right? Let's get a refresh for the Schumann Resonance. And yeah, there's just so much going on. There's just a billion things going on. That new moon video really explains things, and yeah, there's just a bunch of things going on. If you've been feeling it, by all means, yeah, we're all feeling it right now. Um, and yeah, those coronal holes are definitely tough. Now I just noticed something. You see how this chart is so calm, and then on the bottom right, there's like a big red line. You guys seen that? Very unusual. So yeah, definitely a weird thing there. On that, integration energy, moderate activity at best. Three Atlas. Cryovolcanism. Cryovolcanism indicates cold volcanic activity that is present on this comet. That means what was discovered on 3 Atlas was a combination of ice and magma, which is fascinating to scientists as it proves that icy comets can erupt like volcanoes. Not with magma, but with jets of frost and vapor. If you think about it, this has just been one unusual comet, totally different than the other ones. And plasma has been supercharged in this thing. So yeah, very interesting here. And it's displaying signs similar to volcanic eruptions, which is interesting. Normal comets are ice, dust, and rock. It has characteristics of both ice and magma. Other, not just that, but is also rich in carbon dioxide, ice, and other metal gases. It's quite interesting here, right? This thing is older than the sun. This thing is totally far away from a completely different place. This is definitely nothing ordinary. And it is something interesting, right? Another strange characteristic is the anti-tail streak that points towards the direction it is going instead of a tail in the direction it came from. This is just an effect of an illusion from a viewing perspective. However, this comet showed it much earlier and more vividly. Researchers have theorized that the comet's volcanic jets shot gigantic icy meteors towards the sun, which created a bright beam, illustrating that the carbon dioxide powered jets are so powerful that even the sun cannot immediately push them backward. The materials were boosted by jets of the sun's direction and evaporated as it drew nearer. This is a unique body in space that has powerful jets boosted by a carbon chemical reaction. Yeah, NASA should definitely study more into this. Right? They should. This is something different. So yeah, so by all means, of course, um, a lot of things going on here. Let's take a look at it. Let's just keep looking at the sun as I talk. So yeah, so overall, a lot of things are going on right now, and yeah, use your own the solstice, equinoxes. Yeah, things are definitely, you definitely feel it. You feel the upgrades, you feel the anxiety, you feel everything. And my live stream, man, I went into a little bit of my journey, my awakening, this data, and a lot of things as well. So by all means, got into a lot of things here. Um, hey, I'm stepping up the content. We're ramping it up. We're changing it up, and I'm gonna be on a whole nother level. So thank you all so much. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, because I'll see you next time.